Today I'm going to show you how to make this text effect using Canva. After opening new Canva project, go to Elements and type Doodle Hearts pattern, and let's use this one. Let's change the color to black and duplicate to make a background of this pattern first, and fill all the page with this pattern and download this image and upload this image and go to apps and type font frame and choose this app. Type your text and decrease this border to 25 and change the font. Let's use this one and increase a little bit the letter spacing and click on the image and choose use selected image. Click add to design. Just delete this background. Go to edit, shadows, outline, keep it 25 and change the color to white color and download it as PNG with transparent background. Delete this one and upload the new one. Go to edit again, shadows, outline, and decrease the size to 11. And download it again. Delete this one and upload the new one. And the final step, remove the background and you can place any background you want, for example. And you can change the color by going to edit, tune, custom, and you can choose any color you want. And here is the final results. And for creating this text effect, I use this pattern. To find it, just type maze seamless pattern. I hope you like this tutorial. Subscribe to the channel to learn more about Canva.